The test performed on compound and their interfaces. These tests are specifically useful for identification of specific functional group. First, 2,4-dinitrophenylalzyne test. This is the structure of 2,4-dinitrophenylalzyne. This test is specifically useful for to identify presence of aldehyde and ketone. How to react with this compound and how it will give colored compound product. H2O will be removed and nitrogen will form double bond with carbon atom. This is called skip base. It will give yellow precipitate. That's why this compound is useful for identification of aldehyde and ketone in mixture. In option we can see 2,4-DNP test gives colored PPT. That means the aldehyde or ketone presence. Okay. Now see the all compound have aldehyde and ketone presence. Okay. Form test gives yellow PPT. Iodoform test is useful for the to identify presence of ketone functional group. The reagent for iodoform test is iodine in presence of KOH. Iodine in presence of potassium hydroxide is added in ketone. The alpha hydrogen will be substituted by iodine atom and we get carbon tetra iodo, then OH minus attack on carbonyl carbon, EI3 group will be removed and the product is carboxylic acid. Finally, carbon will be protonated and we get chloroform. The ketone group will be converted into carboxylic acid group. The final product is yellow color. That means the ketone group is present. So, in which compound ketone is present? And this is the ketoenol form. Okay. A is eliminated because here aldehyde present and aldehyde do not give iodoform test. And D also will eliminated. Okay. The last test is the azodide test and it is the confirmation test of our question. Now azodide test do not give any dye or color. That means dye means color. Azodide means the N bond should be present in compound and this is the azo linkage. Okay. Azodides are colored compound. Only primary amine gives azodide. Why? See. Primary amine is react with nitrous acid. In the presence of nitrous acid, the primary amine convert into diazonium salt and the reaction with highly reactive phenol gives formed azodide. That means the primary amine must be present for azodide formation. Primary amine gives azodide test and precipitates, but here the diazode test do not give any precipitates. That's why the primary amine is not possible in product. So the tertiary amine do not give any precipitates. That's why B option is Right option. 2 for DNP test useful for identification of aldehyde and ketone. Iodoform test is useful for identification of ketone in mixture. And azodide is must be required primary amine.